Ba-do-do-do-do-do-do. Weed and bee, no chef can be. Hey, that's me, looking all tired and shit. Hello there. Today I'm making for you Pozole Verde. It's this Mexican soup. It's really delicious, really healthy. It's just green soup with hominy in it. Okay, we start by peeling some tomatillos. This low-key ASMR. We're gonna take like 8 of those, add 6 serrano peppers for spice, and 4 sweet peppers. Gonna rinse those bitches until they're nice and clean. Gonna grab some chicken legs. Whatever kind of chicken you use is fine, but I recommend you use something with a bone in it for flavor. Then we're adding water to the pot, filling it like 3/4 of the way full of whatever pot you're using. Okay, so now we're grabbing an onion, throwing that shit in there. Some garlic. I got a shit ton of garlic, but like 5 cloves is enough. Adding our tomatillos and peppers to the water. Look how beautiful that is. So verdant. Okay, so we put a cover on it and we're letting it cook for like 40 minutes. Now that it's cooked, it's all squishy and shit. So we're gonna take out all the chicken, put it to the side so it can cool. There it is. And then, okay, so we're grabbing some tomatillos and everything. We're all taking it out. And then we're going to put that shit in a blender and we're going to blend it all up to make like a green salsa. Okay, we got the chicken. We're going to shred that shit. We put salt on it. And we're also going to put some comino on it so the chicken has a lot of flavor when you eat a piece of it. Okay, and then we're going to add a bay leaf. We're going to put our blended salsa into the pot. It's so beautiful. We're going to add our chicken, some comino, salt, way more salt than pictured here. You have to keep putting salt and trying it until it tastes perfect. Some pepper, some oregano, Mexican oregano. Now we're going to add hominy. I added this big ass bowl and then I added another bowl just like that to it, which is low-key a lot, but I like a lot of hominy in mine. You can just put as much that like feels right to you, like make your own ratios. Stir that shit. Okay, so we let it cook for another 20 minutes. So now all the hominy is soft and shit, and it's pretty much done. So now we're gonna plate it. We got this nice bowl. We're gonna put pozole in that bowl. Then we're gonna sprinkle some oregano on top. Some green onion. You can put whatever fucking toppings you want to put on that, whatever you got. This is what I got, and this is what I want at the same time. Okay, so we put some avocado chunks on it. I love when my pozole is avocado. Some cilantro. And then we're going to place some radishes on top. Okay, that's pretty much done, other than the lime. There's that lime. Okay, now this shit is ready to fucking eat, man. Okay, so I'm gonna eat that shit. I took a pretty big spoon. It was really fucking good, so I went in and took another one. Look at my hair. Damn. You can tell I really just been napping in these breaks. Okay, that's it. Thank you.